Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In case you've not subscribed, then please press the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you stay notified when we post our videos. Let's begin! Today we are going to check out this laptop sleeve, which is of 15.6-inch size, and also discuss some factors which are important while choosing a correct laptop sleeve for your laptop. So to begin with, this was the packet in which I received the laptop sleeve from Amazon. The link for the product is in the description below. So now let's quickly cut this packet. As I open it, I straight away get to see the laptop sleeve in the plastic bag. So the two important factors which I considered while picking up a laptop sleeve was the material and the extra pouch which you can see on the screen. The material here is pretty water resistant. It looks premium, it feels premium, and this is the zipper in which you can put your charger, an extra tablet, or anything that you require like stationery or anything like that, so that you don't have to pick up the bag every time. You go out and you can just pick this up and take your laptop along with your charger outside. The zipper is pretty premium quality, and it is a closed line zipper which prevents water to seep in. There is no pocket inside, and the material inside is also water resistant, and it is well cushioned from all the sides. This is the logo, green color, which gives a very sporty look. So over and above all, this laptop sleeve which I bought for 389 rupees is definitely a very value for money. It's a definite go for everyone who wants to buy it for their laptop. So this is my laptop, which is a gaming laptop, a pretty thick one. So it easily fits in the sleeve, and you can see I can comfortably put it in and pull it out, and you can see the thickness of the laptop. It's pretty thick, but the laptop sleeve is pretty much sufficient to fit this in, and as you can see, it is properly guarded in the sleeve. You can see this is one facility that was given for holding a pen. Or also, one added benefit or an added advantage is that we have been provided with two zippers over here, which helps to open and close the sleeve more conveniently. So this was about it, guys. Please give a thumbs up if you liked the video, and please subscribe to our channel. It motivates us to make better videos. That's it for today. Take care, bye bye, and peace.